Hello guys, we're back here in Juneau. Ayan guys, no, pinupuntahan lang namin ngayon ni Hans guys yung kainan na popular dito sa Juneau guys when you are here in town. So ayan guys, no, meron tayong Bernadette doon sa kabila where they sell barbecue and Filipino food. And here naman guys, andito din yung mga Carillos caldo, no, Filipino, American. We have this menu here guys, no. So ayan, Pilipino talaga guys. Gusto niyo yung mga dinuguan, bula-bula, saka kung ano pa guys. So nandito lahat guys kung gusto niyo mong kumain guys. And yun guys, nasarap lang siya ng cruise ship, no. And ang dami mga kumakain ng mga crew guys. Look at that, no. So parang Filipino camping community. So for some reason guys, ang haba ng pila always. But yeah, like I said, for some reason, medyo ngayon walang pila ang Bernadette's, no? Ayan guys, so marami talagang Pilipino. Ito yung mga pinupuntahan ng mga Asians, Americans as well. Saka ayan. Ayan guys, ito po yung mga offer nila guys. You have a very nice barbecue here. Look at that, no? So ayan, Pilipino po din yung mga nagbibinta guys. Alright. Okay, so what you gonna order, Hans?
Isang combo one, tapos dinuguan with rice.
Ito yung mga binibinta nila guys. Woohoo! Alright! So ito naman guys yung dinuguan. Yay! Ayan, okay. Meron din silang lumpia Shanghai by the way. Woohoo! Alright! Number 8.
Okay.
Ito guys, $5 guys, kalamansi. Yes. And wala palang kutsara dito guys. Gloves lang tayo guys ha. Gloves lang tayo.
Kaya ba?
Kayanin.
Ito, meron plastic.
Ayun pala.
Ito. Mamitas tayo.
Surgery for the stomach.
Sorry.
Munti ka na ako mabulunan.
The price of $21 guys. Marami siya guys. Saka marami rin din yung rice guys. So, tama lang talaga yung presyo. Alright? So ayan, kamay-kamayan lang guys. Filipino style talaga yung kainan dito. I wonder how it goes with Caucasians guys, no? Kasi they're not used. But I guess they also provide spoons for non-Filipino, non-Asian. But for Filipino guys, we use our our fingers or our hand to eat. Hi.
Hi.
Ayan, hi daw. So Hans guys, gumawa ng sausawan. So parang sa Pilipinas lang guys, no?
Philippines
Except-
and Alaska.
Nasa Alaska tayo. Guys, grabe. Mukhang hindi ko maubos. Meron pang isa.
Tapos ko ng isa. Isa na lang.
Mukhang hindi ko maubos guys. Too much, too rich.
Laki pala. In-underestimate namin.
Ang nakaganda dito guys, no? Malamig. And we're fortunate today guys na mainit. We have the sun, blue skies guys. Look at that. And kaharap lang namin yung guys, yung cruise ships, no? And yan naman si Bernadette sa unahan. And then yung Carillos guys. So, ayan. So buti hindi sila sinita sa smoke, no? Smoke bilching. Kumusta Hans? Okay lang?
Ubus ko na dok, masarap.
Yan pa oh. Then ako guys, this all that's left guys. Meron pa ko isang Hans will finish this.
Ha?
Kasi hinihintay-hintay niya ito eh.
I'll try.
Hey! Hi!
Hi.
Ayan guys, hindi na kinaya guys, no? So, hindi ko naubos guys. Hindi ko nga naubos yung isang guys, skewer. So, ayan, Hans is still continuing on his second set of food kasi kaubos lang guys, no? Ayan. Tapos, binigay na namin yung isang piraso guys kay ma'am here. Alright. So, ayan guys. Napakaganda ng view natin today guys. Yan, and yeah, we're really fortunate guys na mainit today. Oh, careful, mainit daw.
Pasok ka?
Pasok. Ayan, so ayan guys, no, mas swerte tayo ngayon guys kasi mainit. Mainit yung araw. Alright, diba Hans? Okay, dito busog kami today guys and I hope nabusog din kayo with our simple vlog today. This is the only place here in Alaska guys where you can eat Filipino street food. I hope guys nabusog kayo sa featured vlog natin and we hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!